Hello traders and investors. I am Harish, SEBI registered research analyst. As a follower of the channel, kindly read and understand the following disclaimers. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Registration granted by SEBI and certification from NISM and enlistment in RAASB in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investors. I myself and or any related person and or associated person have no association in any manner with the recommended company and do not hold any financial interest, actual beneficial ownership of the shares, and not having any material conflict of interest in the recommended stock and the company. Market risk refers to either partial or permanent loss of your investment or portfolio in certain adverse condition or company events. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do not offer any return guarantee. All content in this channel is for educational purpose only. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763 999 3695. Hello traders and investors. In our YouTube channel Harish, SEBI research analyst, I have given a secret Ichimoku strategy. In the strategy, I have mentioned that I will be giving you an additional indicator to support the reversal points. To confirm the reversal points, this video is going to reveal that indicator and a custom parameter so that you can identify exact top and bottom reversal points combining the Ichimoku, Kumo cloud as well as that oscillator. So here I have added that oscillator, that is nothing but stochastics RSI. In the indicator trading view, this is a default indicator only. Ichimoku is also a default indicator. Stochastics RSI is also a default indicator. The parameter change in Ichimoku I have explained you in the last video. Stochastics RSI now I will explain. In the stochastics RSI, the inputs are kept as default. The default input is 14.14.33. There is no change in this default input. Style, in the style, we are changing the upper band and lower band threshold. Default upper band threshold is 80 and lower band threshold is 20. We are increasing and decreasing it. We are increasing the upper band threshold to 95 and lower band threshold we are decreasing to 5 so that we get only the extreme tops and bottom reversals of a particular asset. Okay, see here in this particular stock we are seeing a price coming to this zone and taking support at the bottom line of the Kumo. Okay, this is our reversal area. To confirm the reversal in our direction, we have to confirm that the oscillator should reach below 5. That is, it should reach the extreme oversold condition, and then once the price reverse, this blue line crosses the red line in the upside. On that candle, on the break of the high, we will take the entry and the swing low is the stop loss. Our risk reward will be very better using this system. You can see here Kumo is green. We have to go buy entry only. So in this condition, we got a touch here. You can clearly see how this indicator is filtering out the false entries. The Kumo is green, means we have to go buy entry only. The price is above the Kumo, coming and touching the retesting the red line, that is the base of the Kumo. But see, on that time the oscillator is not oversold. It is in between, it is in the midway. So we are waiting. Again in this area also price is reversing. We are not entering because oscillator is not oversold as per our condition. Okay, if we are keeping it as 80, it has come to 12 also. If we keep it as 2080, the oscillator price, you can see here in this y-axis, the oscillator price has come to 12.98, means it is already oversold as per 2080 condition. But as per 95 condition, it is not yet oversold. So we are waiting. Again see, price is coming down. Here we are getting an exact oversold condition below 5. It is exactly 0.50 only. So it is extremely oversold. Then the blue line is crossing the red line. In the second candle, we got the confirmation after the close of the market. The next day, when this high break, we will take the entry and swing low is the stop loss. See the risk reward. This is the method. In high time frame, we are only going for buy direction. So there is no need to check the sell direction. We will check all the stocks randomly. Okay, this is monthly time frame. See here, when the price touch here, we got a oversold condition. In this candle, we got a crossover condition. In breakout of the high, we got the entry and low is the stop loss. The position is still running. See this ABB. We got a oversold condition here, crossover condition here. In the high breakout, we took the entry. See, till now there is no close below the low. The position is still running. Since it is a high time frame, we can wait for the closing below the low. See here, price has come, touched the rejection point. We got the oscillator condition confirmed. In the second candle, it is confirmed. High break, we took the entry, swing low stop loss. See the multifold risk reward. So here we are seeing one by one only. All the F&O stocks we are seeing one by one. So there is no filtering out of the hit entry. See here, Adani Enterprise. Here we don't get the oscillator condition, so we would have not taken the trade. See here, we got the oscillator condition and the crossover confirmation. On the high break, we took the entry. See the low. There is only one candle closing below this low, and once the low is confirmed, we have to wait for the breakout of the low to exit the position. Such condition didn't happen. Still we are in the position in positional trade. This is about the positional trade because we are seeing in the monthly time frame. Okay, so see here, there is oscillator condition, but the price is below the cloud, we would not enter. See here, exactly this entry, there is no oscillator confirmation. This entry, we got the oscillator confirmation. See the risk reward. This entry also, we got the oscillator confirmation. See the risk reward. See how simple investing is using the Ichimoku cloud and stochastics RSI. The variation is in the secret. What we are going to do, we are changing Ichimoku parameter, which I have clearly given in the previous video. If you have not watched the video, please go and watch the video and then come and watch this video so that you can have a clear idea of the entire system. In this video, we are giving the parameter for stochastics. The input condition is default. There is no change. But in style, upper band and lower band, we are increasing the 80 to 95 and 20 to 5. We are decreasing it to get the extreme reversals. Okay. So this is it. See here, Adani Power. All the entries. This entry, our condition. This entry is also our condition. We are not selecting random stocks which has hit the target. We are selecting one by one all the stocks. So you do your due diligence on a weekend, sit down, set up these indicators, check all the F&O stocks. Okay, check all the F&O stocks, you will get an idea how much efficient the system is. Okay, see here, in this area we got the rejection, we got the oscillator condition, we got the momentum. See, if we go to daily time frame also this will work, but whenever we go to lower time frame the accuracy will be little lesser. That's it, but it will work. See here, in amber the cloud is green, oscillator condition met, price condition met, it has given a rally. But here the price is below the cloud, so we can also wait until the price closes above the cloud and then we can enter. Okay, so in daily time frame we are not going to sell anything, so sell side there is no need to see. See here, in this buy condition got confirmed here. See this pullback, we got the oscillator condition and the cloud condition. This is also an entry. second time retest. Here also we got the oscillator condition, the cloud condition, second time entry. So this will apply to all asset class. We can also check the Nifty pullback area. See here, oscillator confirmed, cloud confirmed, entry. Let us just check in Nifty also. I am changing to Nifty. See in the sell trend, cloud confirmation, oscillator confirmation, price is in sell. Now price has changed to green now. Oscillator is not at oversold, not at came below 5. If we got oscillator coming below the 5, we may get a entry in Nifty also. There may be a bullish reversal in Nifty also. But at present there is no dual confirmation. One is the cloud, second is the oscillator. Cloud has confirmed, oscillator not yet confirmed. When we get both the confirmation, we can see a proper reversal in Nifty. See here, this area, Nifty monthly time frame also, we got a extreme bottom here. See again we got a bottom here, but oscillator Ichimoku condition is not present. We need the support in this red line, not in the top line. We need it in the red line. Okay. Hope you would understand the strategy, and the strategy is very efficient. Do your due diligence, back test, live test, and then use to your advantage. Mostly use in high time frame only, don't use in low time frame. All indicators are designed for daily time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame, not for intraday. Intraday indicators are different. This RSI, statistics, MACD, moving averages, everything will work fine in high time frame. So use in high time frame only. And for our premium courses and services, kindly contact our team members in the given number. They will give you the detail. All the courses we are giving demo for 5 days. You can experience the custom indicator, how it is working. You can check it, you can cross check it, you can live check it, back test it. Once you are satisfied only, you can join the course. So please, for demo, feel free to contact us at the given mobile number. Thank you. Let's have a glance about our courses. We are providing 3 courses. First one, value investing. Second one, momentum investing. And third one, momentum intraday, which is usable in 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. In value investing course, we are focusing on large cap stocks, identifying the market bottom and confirming the fundamentals, and then taking entry and booking it at a fixed target or trailing it for a longer target. In the momentum investing course, we will identify the momentum stocks in monthly time frame based on these triangles, and we can take entry in daily time frame as well as monthly time frame. In daily time frame, we will take swing entries, and in monthly time frame, we will take positional entries, which will go up to 1 year to 1.5 years. Thirdly, in intraday, this is only specifically for stocks. This cannot be used for any other asset class. Here, in 1 minute time frame and in 5 minute time frame, we focus on better risk reward. In both the time frames, the stop loss is only one single candle. Based on the single candle entry, we will trial the target and we try to maximize the risk reward. We focus on minimum risk reward of 1:3 ratio in stocks. We are providing 1 week free demo for all our course and related indicators, which is created on TradingView. You can get the access for the indicator for 1 week and a basic entry exit rules for the courses in a video format. You can back test it, live test it. Once you gain the confidence about our courses, you can join the courses. For more details on trial and full access of our indicator and courses and other premium services, kindly contact us at this number. They will do the needful.